Yeah, so right now the audio is clear. Please. Please tell. Oh, thank you. So actually I want to talk about the VMOD first. So people think that the VMOD is a magical tools, but it's not right. If you want to learn the VMOD, you have to be expert about the projection, and you have to be uh, read the candlesticks, and you have to be know about the market pattern and chart pattern. So everything we should be need. So here, first of all, you can see that I am opening the Australian to USD dollar pair. So if you see that the market is downtrend right now. So here, this is the levels. Here you can see this is the levels. So this is my resistance level and this is my support levels in here. So in these levels we cannot trade in everywhere until we get the strong signals from the volume analysis. So here is my another levels, which is entry levels. Okay, so you can see this is my resistance level in previously where the market has breakout, and this is the weakest area, and you have to be see about you can following also the trading view chart, because sometimes the Binomo they are manipulated the candles. Okay, that's why you can see the trading view chart for understanding the market situation very well. So if you see, here the VMOD here to here, here to here, and here to here, we have the high volume node in here, high volume node in here, and high volume node here in here. So in these volumes we have a money, and here we have a money. So the market strong TV, what do you want to say? So here you can see that this is the POC point of the levels. Here the POC point, here the POC point. Okay, so if you take the POC point again in here and again in here, take the POC point, it's wrong, because we have a three area, which is that first area is here, second area is here, and third area is here for the volume analysis. Okay, so if you analyze the market will be moved to volume, level to level. Okay, so the market will be moved here, 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 or here. Okay, so you have to be understanding the market movement first. Okay, and second, we have to be following the distribution curve in here. So distribution curve is also very important, and every distribution curve give us the every minute candles volume information. So you can see the volume information. We have this the P-shaped distribution curve, we have the B-shaped distribution curve, and this is the D-shaped distribution curve, and here this is the another P-shaped distribution curve. So we cannot be trade in every distribution curve. We have to be take which is the suitable distribution curve for us. Okay, and we have to be see the levels of the market. I told you that. Okay, so if you see, this is the which is levels was the 5600 round number. uh, 610. Okay, so this is the round number near the POC point. Okay, so the market has been break out this POC point in here. You can see. Okay. Have to be fresh. Okay, so okay, this chart is not same. Okay, yeah, so you can see the ranging area in here, which is the market testing buyers and sellers each and other. Okay, so we have to be following the market movement. Look, after the breakout it has been rejections from these levels, and if you see here the sellers entry, sellers rejections from the upper side, and this is the doji candles. And if you see this trading views tools, yeah, you can see that sellers volumes were so high. So if you see this all scenario, and if you see the market movement on the levels is 662, here, so 662, which is the value area high in here. So we can see this is the resistance levels. So the we can see that the market was got a rejection strongly from the resistance levels, and after getting the rejections from the resistance level, strong rejection from the resistance level, then we can see that the sell high volume node in here, the distribution curve, which is the number which is the time is 1847. And if you see the trading view, this is the strong sellers entry. If you see the volume is increasing by these candles. When this candle appears, you can see that the sellers volume is increasing. So everything, if you see the market and if you analyze everything, so these candles give us the signals for the sell signals. So this is our strong sell signals. But we cannot trade in everywhere. Like if you think that this is the candles, strong sellers candles, but after getting strong sellers candle, you can see that this is the distribution curve. Okay, and you can see that this they have the high volume node, high density of the volume inside this distribution curve, and you can take the decision for the put option from this POC point in here. So this is the wrong idea, because if you didn't see you didn't focus on the support area. Here you can see this is the support area. So this candles has closed here the support area, and if you see that in the lower part we have a low volume node for the sellers. With the market did not break out our support levels with the high volume node, and these candles has closed above our support levels. So if you see this, we don't need to be place and trade, call or buy these candles. We should be wait for the next candles. Okay, then we can take the decisions for sell or buy. you cannot place any trade. We cannot you cannot be place a trade in you cannot be place the trade in every candles. Okay, so first of all, if if you want to take place a trade, I will place one trade in front of you with according to VA mode analysis. Okay, so after placing the trade according to VA mode analysis, then if you have any questions, you can ask me the questions in the comment sections. First of all, okay, this is the ranging market. This is all the ranging market. Okay, so here are the levels in here right now. Here are the levels is here right now. So if you see these levels, buyers and sellers, they are testing each and other. Okay, this is the testing area. So we cannot be place a trade and we cannot place any trade inside these levels. Okay, we have to be wait. But if you want to place a trade in here, this is the wrong decision for you. Okay, so we have to be wait until break out these levels. So okay, okay, the market is going to break out these levels. So no, Master Rana, this is not safe for place a trade in the ranging market. And one guy asked the questions how to select a perfect SNL. I will be show you after this trade. How can we find out the perfect SNL levels from the live market? Okay, so please stay with us. Let me find another market. Okay, this is not safe to place a trade in here. So in this time, until break out these levels, I am explaining about how can we find out the strong SNL level from the market. You can see the AUD JPY market. So in the AUD JPY market, here you can see that this is the price bar. So you have to be go the first market. Okay, here this is the good market. Okay, you can draw the Fibonacci tools here the support levels, here the resistance level. So you can draw the Fibonacci tools from the support and resistance level. Then you can draw the levels near the support and resistance levels. So here you can see that I was drawing the all levels in here. Okay, so we can see these levels, the market was reverse, this reverse in here, reverse in here, reverse in here, here the reverse, here the reverse, in the reverse in here, here the reverse, here the reverse. So these three levels is reverse, in whole levels it reverse. If you go the next, okay, here the reverse, good reverse. This is working very good. This market, the market went touch in here, the reverse in here, reverse. So here you can see the reverse, but in this market very few time in the present market they're touching these levels. So they are touching most of the times in these levels, and they are reverse in most of the time. So you can trust these levels blindly, and this is the very strong levels in the present live market. So you can draw the SNL levels following this strategy. Okay, so here you can see the market already break out these levels, and this is the support levels, and I missed the one trade from the after these candles. One guy listening from Brazil, thanks for watching my video. Thank you, Mr. Rana. Okay, so you can see the market is trying to break out the levels in here. Okay, it hasn't break out, but this breakout with the low volume. So let me take the confirmation. Okay, this is not safe for placing the trade. Wait for the next candles. Okay, you can see the exhaustion candles. Okay, I think this is the news time effect. Masud Rana asked me the questions. Please explain how to properly use the Fibonacci tools and how it works actually. I have heard that this is one of the most popular level, but I have never tried this. Okay, I will be showing after uh, showing one trade according to VM strategy. Then I will be show properly how to use the Fibonacci tools. Okay, but Masud Rana, can you hear my voice clearly? If you see this type of volumes in the VM mode, it's better to refresh the browser. Yeah. We are at the studio. You are watching from India. Thanks for watching. So market situation is not good right now. This is very crazy market. Okay. Okay, I have been placemented for put option. Uh, because you can see this is my levels, and here these green candles did not break out these levels, and this is the red candles, which is the rejections from these levels, and it has been closed below these levels. But after all, this is the ranging market, so in this situation don't place a trade, because in here everywhere is the levels, and the market may reverse from anywhere. So this is very crazy market. So in this type of market, don't place a trade. Here, ranging market in here. So you have to be wait for the perfect market and the perfect time. Okay, right now it will be try to go down. Okay, it will right now go down. I have been late entry. Actually, this candle should be go down, but this candle did not go down because the levels is here. After touching the levels from here, then it has been go down. And if you see the market 511, here the value area high, sorry, value area low. So value area low has been breakout. So after the, like here I'm explained the perfectly. This is the value area high, a low. This is the value area high, and this is the value area low. So I can see that the value area low has been breakout, and this is the support level. So after the breakout with the support level, then you can place a trade with the put option. And where is the breakout? Yeah, you can see that when the market is breakout in here, it was breakout with the high volume node, and you can talk about these candles. It was the red down signals, but the levels is here, that's why the market is go up for fill up these levels, and after the market was go down. But this is the after all the ranging market in here. Don't place a trade in the ranging mode in here. Look, it has going more down. How much big candles they are making. And if you see the note, it was high volume note in here. And if you see the green volume, if you see that here, this is the Marubozu candles. You know that the Marubozu is represent the strong buyers. And but when the Marubozu candles touch the levels, our sellers levels, you can see that this is the low volume, and this volumes is low than the previous 3 volume bar candles. Okay, and that's why I have placed my trade for put option in here also. Okay, so this is actually the market isn't good right now, so I cannot place more trade according to VM strategy right now, because the market situation is very crazy. So this is not good time for trading. So uh, thanks for watching this video. So if you have any questions about my trade or VM mode strategy which you cannot understand, which part we didn't understand, you can ask me the questions in the comment section. I'll try to clear your doubt. So if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment sections. I'll be wait for your comment. If you have any problem, but if you don't have any problem, I will be stop my live session because the market is not very good. Thanks Masud Rana for your compliment. Mm. Uh, what news time? I did understand your questions. Actually, uh, please explain your questions. What about the news time? Actually, I think that you don't understand about news time. So I'm explaining how to watch the news time. First, go the Forex Factory and click on filter. Okay. It's the calendar. Okay. Mm. You can watch the news time from here, or you can watch the news time from the iqoption, which is very easy. Like if you go the if you place a if you click on market analysis, then click on dollar icon. So after placing a dollar icon in your local time, they will show you all news in here. Look how much today news in here. This if you see that this dark color, this all news has been published. And if you see the light color, the news will be published in this particular time. So when you see this market, when you see that the news will be published in this time, so before the news time for 10 minutes and after 10 minutes we have to be ignore the trading. Before 10 minutes and after 10 minutes at least we have to be ignoring the trade. Okay, understand? And you can also following the news time from the Binomo in here. If you click the calendar, and there is showing the upcoming, and the next uh, news will be published after 1 hour 19 minutes later. Okay. Okay, which platform is best, iqoption or Binomo? Actually, this is depends on you. If you have high speed internet, and you can use the Binomo. If you see, and sorry, you can use the iqoption, and iqoption is very good for analyzing the market, and iqoption chart is very fast than the Binomo. But in the iqoption they have one problem, which is that entry point. If you want to place a trade in here, that trade will be maybe enter from here or here. Okay, so that is the main problem. That's why I'm not says the iqoption. But if you're using the Binomo, where we want to place a trade, you can place a trade in there in your exact entry point. You can be place a trade in exact entry point. So for this reason you can use the Binomo, but whatever you choose, but in the iqoption is better for the analyze the market, because iqoption chart is very fast than the Binomo. But if you want to place a trade in current entry point, if you need the exact entry point for placing the trade, I think the Binomo is better than the iqoption. Yeah, Suresh Raj, a market is bad right now. That's true. So in this bad market, don't trade. Please ignoring the trade in this type of bad market. Okay. So guys, have any questions? So you have any questions, you can ask me. Otherwise, I will be stop this live session. So I want to say everyone one thing, that don't think that VM mode is a magic software. Just VM mode will help you to make the money. You have to win. If you know how to use a VM mode, and if you know how to handle a VM mode, so it will be easy to making the money from the binary option, because the VM mode is very effective for the binary option, and this only this only make for the binary option. Okay. Yeah, sure. POC point is also important, because this POC point is show you the levels. So but everything is important, but don't depends on, but only you cannot only depends on the POC point. Okay, you have to be see the value high low POC point, and the market support and projections, and strength of the volumes, distribution curve. Then you can take the decision, and POC point is also important, right? Okay, why not open where close? Most times option candles open points upside or downside. Why not open right place? Actually, as a picture, the main problem is that internet problem and graphics problem. The IK option, if you see that the IK option platform, this is the high graphical platform. If you have the good GPU systems, so you will be getting the good performance from the IK option platform. And if you need high speed internet connection, you cannot be use the slow internet connection like 1 Mbps to 5 Mbps. You have to be need the high internet speed for handling the IK option. Then you will be getting the right entry point, and your problem will be solved. Okay, so thanks for watching my videos. So if you like my videos, you can share with your friends, and if you like and if you think that this video is informative, you can press a like button on my videos. So I will be inspired to doing more live in the YouTube, and I will be teach more knowledge about the binary option. So thank you for watching my video. Thanks again, and okay, bye bye, take care everyone.